So yesterday, I messed around with these pretty cool portals, but they shouldn't actually work, so how did I actually make them? So basically, I've got this shader, and what it does is that it takes the camera feed from the other portal and just slaps it onto the surface using the screen position so it always lines up. And this stencil thing here just marks where the portal's boundary is so the teleport knows when you've crossed it. So this script is what actually positions the portal camera. So in start, it just sets everything up automatically, creates the render texture, hooks everything up to the portal camera, and assigns it straight to the portal surface material. And this is probably the most complex part. It takes the camera's position relative to this portal, flips it 180 degrees, and applies that to the camera at the other portal. So wherever you're standing, the other camera mirrors it exactly. So now comes the actual fun part, adding in the portal to the scene. So as you can see here, I have this world 1, and then I have this world 2. These are the worlds we're going to be switching through when teleporting. Now the first thing I'm going to do is create a new empty game object, and let's call it for Portal A. Now inside that Portal A, I'm not going to add a new quad mesh, because this is the mesh that is going to be rendering the actual portal. And now once we've added the portal mesh, we're just going to add a new material onto it called Portal A. And this is now going to correspond to that this is the Portal A. And now again on Portal A, we're going to add a new camera. And basically this camera is what's going to be seen out of Portal B. Now on the camera, we're going to add the portal camera component that I talked about before. And I'm now going to copy Portal A and then call it Portal B and then position it inside of the World 2. And now inside of the camera on Portal A, we're going to add this portal as Portal A and other portal as Portal B. And we're now going to do the same on Portal B. And now when we press play, you'll see that we can actually see through the portal, but we can't actually walk through it. That's where the portal teleport script comes in. So this script is pretty large, but I'm just going to go through the overall things. So this part is basically what adds all the references in and, makes it so there's a cooldown and all that other stuff. So here's the actual important part, when you are colliding with the portal. So first of all, it says your location to the transform point of the other portal, and then does the same with the rotation. Then checks if you have checked the preserve velocity, which will basically make it so you keep the same velocity when you go through the portal. And then now for the final part, we need to go into the Portal A and add in the portal teleport script. And then now do the same for Portal B. Now inside of Portal A, set the linked portal to be Portal B's quad. And then the portal surface will be the quad. And then do the same for Portal B, but just reverse. Now this is the final part, and if we test it, you'll see that it works and we get this awesome portal effect. Also, if you like my content and want to support me, then please remember to subscribe. Bye!